机会永远是留给准备好的人。Back to 70s, 0.6 and 0.7 of the veneer are the industrial standards. However, people now are trying to use 0.5, 0.4 or even 0.3 veneer thickness to produce products for their applications. It is challenging, but it's probably the only way to survive in the market nowadays. Innovator Machinery was founded in 2003, specialized in the veneer processing equipment. Veneer processing equipment is considered a relatively niche market. Given the fact that there is less and less wood material available in the market, we are trying to develop a new technology to help our customers to make more furniture and more woodcraft with the less consumption of the timbers. We will be presenting our cross-feed veneer splicers and double knife guillotines with inline groove applicators, which is our latest model for these years. Starting from veneer cutting, gluing, and veneer jointing process, this is a completely veneer production line, which can help customers to reduce the labor force to 2 or 3 people, but at the same time increase their production capacity. The success of the Innovator Machinery comes from a few reasons: quality, one-stop shopping, and close relationship with the customers. We have been ISO 9000 qualified companies, and our product has been CE certified since 15 years ago. The other key point related to the quality is the safety issues. One of our main products is the veneer guillotine, which is generally considered as a dangerous equipment. Thanks to our Danish partner, Savi, who used to be the #1 brand in the US market, we have several unique and special features to help our customers to prevent serious injury during their production. We also provide what we call one-stop shopping service for our customers. As an innovator, we are one of the very few companies in the world who are able to offer a completed veneer production line. For the last 15 years, Innovator Machine has been sold to more than 40 countries in the world. You will always see us in the major exhibitions such as LIGNA in Germany, IWF in USA, and other regional shows as well. Being one of the major global players in the woodworking machinery industries, Taiwanese manufacturer has been service customers since early 90s. There are more than 200 members within Taiwan Woodworking Machinery Association. I believe most of them will bring their latest products, new technology for the Wood Taiwan show. Welcome to visit Wood Taiwan show. See you.